Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a February favorites for you, and I do apologize that I didn't have a video from last week. I was in Vancouver, so if you guys follow me on like Instagram or on Snapchat, then you guys probably would have known that. But I did have my makeup collection video go up for you guys, so I'm really happy that you guys enjoyed that, and I will have like a part 2 coming up since I did already film that, so I just didn't know what video to put it in, but I'm just gonna make it a whole separate video for you guys so you can see the continuation. And I just want to say thank you for all the love on that video as well. I'm so happy you guys enjoyed it, and I am really excited about this video today because there's so many favorites that I have, so I just want to make sure that I mention everything to you guys. Everything that I mention will be linked down below for you guys as well. And also I decided to go in with the new Too Faced collection today, so the Festival collection. So it's very smoky on my eyes today, and I usually don't do like a bold eye like this, but I really like it, and I love the palette, so it is actually in one of my favorites. But I'm not gonna ramble on too much. I hope you guys are excited to see this video, and if you guys had something you loved from this month, definitely let me know in the comments. You guys know I always love reading those and seeing what you guys have been enjoying. So without further ado, I'm gonna get started with this video. And I'm actually wearing my pom-pom beanie today just because it's a little colder here today. I've been having really bad luck with weather. So I feel like the snow and the rain have just not been able to like escape. So yeah, I am just kind of bundled up today wearing a warm beanie. You guys know I love these, and they've always been in all my favorite videos, so I'm sure you guys have heard of them before. There will be a link down below anyways if you guys are interested. But my first product here that I want to talk to you guys about is the Too Faced Life's a Festival Peach Love and Unicorns palette. I'm sure you guys have seen this. It's so magical and pretty. And I'm actually wearing it on my eyes today, and I just love all the colors. Like, I love the fact that they have pinks, purples, and just so many mixable, great blendable colors, and also they are really nice and easy to blend out. They're super smooth, they're super pigmented. I actually really love all the shades. They've got like some blues, lilac, teal, pinks, and just really fun like unicorn inspired colors. So if you guys are into like really magical and like creative looks on the eyes, then you'll definitely love this palette. And even if you're not, there are really nice like illuminating but also soft matte shades in this, like desert vibes. But yeah, I really love this palette. It definitely has been one of my favorites. I plan on doing more looks with it too. So I'm not going in any particular order, I'm just grabbing stuff that I've put on the counter over there. But the next is a hair product, and this is the Orbe Gold Lust Nourishing Hair Oil. So this was $44. It's a little bit expensive, but let me tell you, it is the most amazing hair oil, guys. Like, my hair has been so dry, especially at the ends. You guys know I wear tape-ins, so they're really hard to manage sometimes if I've had them in for a while. But this oil, I could not believe how amazing it was, and I get why it is at that price point because it's so concentrated. You only use a tiny little amount, or else I find that your hair might look oily. So just use like the tiniest drop. It smooths out my hair, also strengthens, and also just looks so flawless and fresh, and I just love even putting it like on my split ends so you can't see them. So yeah, this has been like a miracle worker on my hair, and I usually wear a lot of Kevin Murphy, but I'm kind of switching over to Orbe a little bit too because it's just so awesome. Okay, so going back to makeup, I have a favorite mascara. So it's the Big Shot mascara right here by Maybelline, and when I was in Vancouver I actually picked one up. So this is what it looks like when you guys purchase it. I got it on sale too. It was $7.99, which is like an awesome price. And this is by far my favorite mascara of all time right now. I usually used Better Than Sex by Too Faced, but I actually like this one a lot more, and it just gives your lashes so much volume. And I mean, if I'm not wearing lashes, this definitely makes me feel like I am wearing lashes, like false lashes, and it just gives full volume, full length. It's very black. It gives so much volume, it's actually really shocking. Definitely go pick one up because they're also drugstore. It's a great price, and it's a bomb mascara. Okay, so next favorite has been the Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. Now, I know I talk about this a lot, but it's because I use it every single day, and you guys can see I have to go get another one very soon. I'm almost out of it, but it is the most amazing primer if you guys have oily skin. I love putting this even just around my T-zone to mattify it before I put my foundation on, but I do put like it all over my skin, and it just gives my skin such a smooth finish before I apply my foundation, and I've just noticed such a difference. Also, my foundation lasts forever on my skin, and it doesn't even oil up at all. Like, it's kind of crazy. So I go in with this, then I'll go in with my Peach Perfect foundation, and then also the spray. So I find that all three of them work so well together, and that's kind of why my skin just doesn't really get oily anymore, which I have really oily skin, so I am so happy with that. But yeah, I have to say that this primer has really done the trick for my skin, and I don't know, I couldn't use like anything else right now because it's just been working so well. And I love that feeling of like the cooling sensation you get. It's really nice when you're putting it on in the morning and refreshing. So yeah, love it. So you guys have heard me talk about this before, and it's the LANEIGE Lip Sleeping Mask. So I actually went, when I was in Vancouver, to Sephora to grab the full-size bottle because I got a little baby one. This was from my Ipsy bag, and oh my god, it is the most amazing, like, well, I guess it is a mask, but I use it all the time just as a lip balm. It's so hydrating, and it keeps my lips just like so moisturized, so plump, and it's just amazing to put on morning and night, and it just really hydrates your lips. So if you guys have dry lips like me, especially during the winter time, this is like a must, and I just love how easy it slides onto your lips. Like, it just glides on. It's really nice. It doesn't feel sticky, just very nourishing, very like, it just feels like a treatment. So yeah, I can get why it's called mask. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it's also for all skin types as well. Okay, so next product I have here is an EVIAN facial spray. Now, I've had this in my makeup collection, I think ever since the wedding, like for a while, and I think I actually got it for the wedding, but I bought 2 bottles and I don't remember using it much there, but I've just been using it now as like a facial spray, and it's so, oh my god, it's so amazing. Honestly, I used to spray my TATCHA spray, my Luminous Dewy Skin Mist in the morning on my blender before I put on my foundation, just for like a very like fresh look. I've been using this instead, and it works so good. And then you don't have to use like your really expensive TATCHA spray, but this works really well on just kind of giving your skin that like dewiness and like freshness, and it's really nice instead of using, I find, like just water, using the spray, so I feel very refreshed. And even in the morning, like when I'm doing my skincare, I'll use this on my skin and it'll feel so nice, like kind of like awakening, you know, like it is a really nice light mist, and it's like water. It just feels like water. It's amazing. It doesn't have any scent to it, which I love. So yeah, I definitely would repurchase this like 1,000 times, especially in the summer. So as much as I love that spray, the TATCHA spray is still by far my favorite mist of all time. So it's the Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. I found the baby one at Sephora. Like, how cute is this one? I love it. And yeah, so I think it came with the water, or no, this came by itself actually. I bought this individually. But I love it. It's so refreshing in the morning, and it gives your skin freshness, dewiness, luminosity, everything that you would want for your skin to make it just feel and look just amazing. If you guys have not tried this, it definitely is a must. I know every single person here on YouTube probably uses it and raves about it. So I mean, it is a really like star product here on YouTube. But yeah, I just haven't found anything else that works just as well as this. So it does make your skin look flawless. And I mean, you can mix it in with your foundation if you want to, but like I said, the EVIAN is probably easier to do that because this is a tad bit more expensive, and it's just a very luxurious product. So I mean, it's just something that you want to just kind of use in the morning. I would highly recommend this to you guys if you have not tried it. And it's so nice that you don't have to like spend the money on the full bottle now. If you guys just want to try it out, just get the baby one. If you guys can see my highlight right now, I am wearing this highlighter by BECCA right now, and it's wearing Champagne Pop right now by BECCA. So if you guys can see my highlighter, I have been obsessed with this highlighter, and I've had it for a while, and it's just that kind of highlighter that I end up trying like a million different ones and then always going back to this one, always. And it's a nice natural finish to it, which I really love, and I just love the way it looks on camera as well, to be honest. But this is what it looks like right here, and it's just beautiful, like flawless, iridescent, pearlescent, everything. Is pretty like out there, like it's pretty bold, so I would only highly recommend using the tiniest little bit. Like, look how much I've picked up right there, like bam. It's so pigmented, like crazy pigmented, so you really don't have to use a lot. But yeah, out of all her highlighters, I pretty much like this one the most, or Opal, but I would say that she has the best highlighters. So I think you guys know that I love everything unicorn, magical, fairy tale-like, and this new collection by Too Faced honestly did me in. This is just like the most gorgeous collection I've ever seen. And to be honest, I have not used the entire collection yet. I just have been traveling the last little bit, and I've just been so busy that I haven't been able to sit down and try everything, even though I played with some today and I'm like, oh my goodness. The palette is just like my absolute favorite probably from the collection, but I really love this Rainbow Strobe, and it's just so different. So it's a highlighter, and it's got multiple rainbow colors in here. Look magical and majestic, then this highlighter is gonna do it in for you. But yeah, this is just gorgeous. It's so pretty and so different. Like I haven't seen anything like this, and like it's just so stunning. And they always do me in on the packaging. Like this packaging is so pretty. It's got a unicorn on it, it's got a rainbow on it, and I just love it. So I was really happy that they came out with like a full unicorn collection, because I mean, if I had my makeup line, that's probably what I would do as well. I'm really loving it. It is very like out there and different, but when you apply it, it's actually not that crazy, which is nice. It's kind of like an everyday wearable color, and it's kind of like a champagne-y light color. Like I'm not sure if you guys can see it right there, but it's just very natural. It comes on not too crazy. Guys, so that was pretty much all of my favorites from February. I didn't want to make this video like too long. Sometimes I find that sometimes they're like way too long and I just have too many things to show you guys, but I feel like that was a good amount to share with you. And if you guys have any favorites, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I feel like February was an awesome month for trying new products for me. I guess finding other products that I've had in my collection and going back to them, like the BECCA highlighter and stuff like that. So I love when that happens. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this favorites video, and I also have a lot of more exciting videos coming your way. I'm actually filming a morning routine for you guys, so that should be up pretty soon. And also I have more vlogs going up, so if you guys haven't been over there, definitely check it out. And I hope you guys have an awesome day, awesome week, and of course I'll see you in my next video. Bye!